you ever been at an event? Have you ever been somewhere out and about and you were talking about your business to somebody and you couldn't find a business card? You know how unprofessional that looks or seems, or inconvenient that could be? Stay tuned. Let me give you a tool real quick that's totally free. Only thing it's gonna cost you is your time. Let me talk to you for a minute, huh? So I want to talk to you real quick about this digital card called Blinq. So Blinq pretty much it turns your phone into like a digital handshake. Now, how did I find out about Blinq? I was had to put my truck in the shop, and I'm riding the Uber home, and I'm conversing with the Uber driver, and he's talking about, you know, the struggle or where he's at right now, and I'm just trying to give him some game, like some different things he could use to probably increase his finances or his income when it comes to apps and services. But when leaving the car, he like, hey, you got a business card or you got contact information? I'm like, let me check. And I'm looking in my bag, and guess what?
Nope.
No business cards. You feel me? So the homie pull out his cell phone, and it's a QR code. I scan the QR code, and it pulls up all this information. I was like, bro.
Bravo.
Shout out to you, bro.
Bravo.
I was like, bro, this is crazy. So this is just basically you beefing up your business and beefing up the game of entrepreneurship with how you communicate and how you'll have access to your business details without having to dig through your backpack or your wallet or one of your purse to get a business card. You'll be able to give them your info quick as a blink. So the real win is like saving trees. The joint looks fire. Guess what? The good news is we'll never run out of business cards again. Who ain't rocking with that? So the next time you show up to a conference or a business meeting, you ain't gonna never have to reach for a business card again. Now, another dope feature that Blinq offers, they do have a paid tier, especially if you have a team within your business or your LLC or your S Corp or whatever. You can pay for this specific service. But what I do like most importantly is the NFC option. And so they do offer you to purchase one of their NFC cards, like they Blinq cards, where every time you update your information on your Blinq app with this digital card, you'll be able to tap it on somebody's phone. It'll pop up your information. As just this the same as if you would have used, you know, your phone as well. Then they also got their CRM integration as well. So for us that, you know, has these business marketing tools that we use, you can integrate that as well, man. So it's a win-win for us all, man. We saving trees, we saving time, and you're gonna look ahead of the curve. So let's go ahead and level up our business networking and interactions by just simply downloading this app free. I'm gonna drop a link for my Team Apple. I'm here for it, you feel me? I'm gonna drop a link for us. Team Android, guess what? I'm gonna drop a link for us as well. Hit that link. I'm not gonna be the hater to tell you to stop buying business cards, but add this to your toolkit as a business owner. Because like us shooting photography or media, the homies say the fastest time usually is a millisecond, right? And that's all you usually have. So you having this on your phone is gonna change the game for you. And I do like it, like on my iPhone, I could add a widget. I added a widget, and on that widget, it has my face or my QR code on that joint. And I could just go to the widget and let them scan it, information directly to their phone, man. I love it. Let me. I can talk about this all day because I'm a nerd. So I just thought that would help y'all. Blinq, and it's BLINQ. Blinq. Hit that link. You feel me? Love y'all to life. Go out and create something. We out. Peace.